water leak. I know it looks like it's coming around that oil fill, but it's actually coming from the crossover. Oh my God. I hope that's not leaking into the timing cover. Fucking great. Oh, there's a fucking part of a river right there. Motherfucker. Awesome. It's not this heater hose fitting. It's not this heater hose fitting. Oh my God. Just fucking great. So very frustrating here on Alex's CAD. We were right at that point of ready for first fire. Just filling her up with coolant. And well, you saw the video. So it took us 4 different vendors and manufacturers to get a hose that fit the lower. Upper fit right away. AC Delco makes the absolute correct one. It fits perfectly, but I gotta take all that off because our crossover. Anyway, so I'm gonna get this apart and get the hell out of here. Alright, so it's hard to see. Our trail is conveniently right out of here. Pouring out right here. First I thought it was like, crap, that O-ring didn't seat. No, because everything there was dry. So that's always fun.